And hello again, it's Dennis for KingMakerForex.com and orangequant.com. What we're looking at here is the hourly chart of the Euro Australian dollar, and what you see is a short trade there, and that was a 1% gainer. It took place, it started on September 1st, 2014 at about 5:21 a.m. Eastern Time. And the trade ended at about 5:36 Eastern Time, about 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, whatever it was. And now I'm going to drag down so you can see the account number, as I always do. There we are. There's the account number. And right now, actually, there is, I'm way back, I'm kind of backed up, I'm sorry. I'm trading my other account, my real account, my personal account. I do get backed up, and this video isn't even being posted until the 3rd of September. So, just bear with me a minute, if you would please, and I'm going to show you the history. Alrighty, let me get the history up for you. Well, first let me show you that this is a real current chart, even though, I had to back it up some. I'm going to pull it across so you can see the current view. There you are. That's where we are right now, and right now it's like almost 6:20 p.m. Eastern Time. And now I'm going to click the history button, and please remember that the time shown on the history are my local time, which is mountain time, so you have to add 2 hours to it. I've been giving you Eastern time here. Here comes the history. Alright, there it is. And show you the account number. Okay. Now, let's go up and see this trade. You're going to see another trade that I have not yet videoed, and actually it was an accidental trade. I fell asleep and it got away from me, but that's another story. That'll be in the next video. It's a huge loss right now, and it's a real challenge to KingMaker to bring it back. Anyway, let me get to where I need to. Gosh, I'm going to have to scroll down to be able to show you the actual trade. Okay, I think we're in range here. Yep. Okay. What you want to notice for this trade is the difference between this value right here, 10.10.65, and that next value, 10.21.39. Okay. So these two lines here are what we're going to be looking at. And did I show you already the, yeah, I did. I showed you that this was the account number. So, this was the Euro Australian dollar pair. You see where I sold it at market, and then moving it across back to where we were, you can follow along, and you can see that that's all legitimate. Okay, let's close the history channel here. And let's go over and I'll show you the logic of it right quick. Alright, same hourly chart we were looking at before on the Euro Australian dollar pair. But now we're on the Thinkorswim, my TD Ameritrade account. And I'll show you the Australian dollar. Okay, and you can see it's the hourly. Okay. This was yet another what's called emerald contact trade, which I've described before, and you can see from the arrows what I was looking at. I guess I jumped in somewhere up around here, yeah, maybe a little higher, and what I was looking for it to do was come back to contact with emerald. Okay, it never quite made it, but I still made a profit anyway. I got out, as is my habit, I got out before it contacted emerald, and it never did contact it. That's why you get out a little bit ahead, because sometimes it won't make it. Now, onward and upward to the next trade, what I call the disaster trade, where I fell asleep. That'll be in the next video. I'm Dennis at orangequant.com for KingMakerForex.com.